Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing Oribe's new run-through detangling shampoo. Let's get started. This shampoo says it will gently cleanse the hair without drying or stripping. It contains shea butter, sunflower extract, and rice seed protein to soften and add shine. I'm starting off with 8-day hair and my hair is extremely tangled, so we're gonna put this product to the test. I go in with the shampoo and I'm first focusing it on my scalp, making sure I'm getting a good cleanse before detangling. These clips are not sped up, so you do see me in real time trying to detangle my hair with this shampoo, starting from my ends and working my way towards my roots. Like I said previously, my hair was pretty tangled, so I was super surprised that I was able to get my hands inside of my hair and detangle without a conditioner. I literally did not struggle at all. Now I'm rinsing my hair and I'm going in with their Goldilust Repair and Restore Conditioner. This conditioner helps to moisturize and restore the hair without weighing it down. It contains Oribe's Signature Complex, argan oil, and others to repair, moisturize, and strengthen the hair. They also sent me 2 other conditioners to try, so let me know if you guys want a review on those. Since my hair was already detangled, I used this conditioner as a mask, and I left it in for a few minutes in the shower before rinsing. So this detangling shampoo definitely exceeded my expectations. I've never been able to detangle my hair, let alone try to detangle my hair with a shampoo. But this one, you guys, this one did not disappoint. And let's not forget the amazing scent that it has. Just the smell alone of these products won me over. Now this product is definitely on the pricier side, so if you're willing to splurge, I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a detangling shampoo. As for the conditioner, you guys, the conditioner left my hair feeling silky and smooth. Like, I was shook. All of the conditioners along with the shampoo have like a super luxurious scent. So like I said previously, I'm obsessed and I can literally smell it in my hair right now. So since my hair was already previously detangled by the shampoo, I didn't really need to detangle my hair with a conditioner, so I did leave it on as a mask and it left my hair feeling super smooth. So I'll actually be reaching for this conditioner often since it left my hair feeling super nice, super silky smooth. You know, the smell was amazing and I can't wait to try the other 2 conditioners. Overall, I totally recommend these 2 products if you're looking to splurge since they are on the pricier side. Let me know, would you splurge on a product like this? Or have you tried any other of Oribe's products that I should know? Comment down below. And this is it for my review. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to join the family. Leave any video suggestions in the comments below. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching.